All right, so we're checking this out. We've got our 3 types of questions here. You can see that I labeled my spreadsheet up here as Jessica Pinto data. And we've got this first column as quantitative, and these are numeric questions. And examples are how many days in a year, how many continents are there, how many states are there, how many people. These are all examples of questions where the answer is a number. Any question where the answer is a number is called quantitative, because that sounds like quantity. And we'll sometimes call these numeric questions. These are all good examples, and I'm sure you could come up with your own example. Take a moment to do that now. Also, be opening up your own spreadsheet if you can, and you can follow along with me by pausing this video. The next type of question here we have in column B are qualitative questions. Qualitative questions are characteristics and categories, such as, do you like the color red? The answers would be just limited to yes or no. What kind of clouds are these? You would say which type of cloud they are. There's a limited amount of types of clouds. What kind of fruit cup did you have? What's an example? You could say it was a peach cup, it was pear. There's a limited amount. And then in these, if you get a lot of very weird answers that don't fall into the normal categories, you can create a category called other. So this would include all yes or no questions and all what type or what is your favorite type. And then you could fill in what is your favorite blank. For these, you have to make a frequency table. Oh, and the frequency table I'll show you how to make in just a moment. The third type of question is conversational, and that's going to be a question that's non-statistical. So the first two, quantitative and qualitative, are statistical types of questions that we can analyze. A few more examples of these different types that have been color-coded include how many chips are in the bag? That's quantitative. The answer would be a number. How many chips are in the average bag? Similar question. Again, quantitative. What type of chips are these? Qualitative. When was the last time you had some chips? You could create categories for the answers. Last week, further in the past, like a month ago, or you've never had chips, or I had chips today, for example. And then you could categorize the answers and tally up how many are in each category, making it a qualitative question. What is your favorite type of chip? Again, qualitative. So the goal for you is that you would, here are some more examples, that you would create your own question that's a qualitative question. That's your own unique question that you're going to ask somebody. And that's what I want you to write down. So it's your favorite type of this, your favorite type of that, or a yes or no question. Another example would be a this or that question. For example, do you prefer Disneyland or Knott's Berry Farm? After that, the goal is that you would make your own pie chart. So this is an example of a pie chart that I made. And so you've got to wonder, how did that pie chart get made? And I want to show you. So my question was, do you like olives? And my categories were yes, I like olives. No, I don't like olives, and I'm open to trying them. So I had gathered data from the class. It was yes, yes, no, 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 yes, etc. So you're going to collect data from 15 people. Then we're going to organize the data into a chart like this, where in column A is the category. In my case, it was yes, no, and open. And then over here, these are the quantities. And so I have, according to yes, it was 4. There were 12 no's, and there were 2 students who said that they were open to trying olives. Maybe they've never had them before. So you'll make something just like this, where A is the category, B is the number in each category. After that, you're going to click with your mouse to highlight those cells, and you're going to come to the word insert. you're going to click Insert Chart, and this creates a pie chart automatically. If it didn't automatically create a pie chart, I'm going to suggest that you find wherever it says pie chart, and you might need to scroll down to pie chart. Then I want you to customize it just by adding in the title. So you come down here to Chart Title and Axis, and we want the chart title to be the question. My question was, for my third period class, does third period like olives? Question mark. And now you can see that it has a title. We love the pie chart because it labels for us the 3 categories, and it also found out the percentages. So once you've done this, after you've gathered your data, you're just going to leave it here. It will be sheet 2. Then you're going to come to your sharing settings. Yours will probably say restricted. And so in order to change it, you're going to click on anyone with the link. And once you've done that, you click copy link, and then you can go into Canvas to upload this assignment as a website URL. The challenge in this assignment is that you're coming up with your own question, you're gathering all the data yourself, and then you're creating your own chart that I'm going to look at. If I see this pie chart in there with your own unique question, then you're going to get full credit. Please email me if you have any questions. Thank you.